Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2015 Audi RS3 Sportback we have new in stock. I'm just going to point out some of the main standout features on this particular model we have for sale. Starting with the exterior, you can see our example here is painted in the Sepang Blue metallic paintwork. Our example also comes with a 19-inch Rotor design alloy wheels painted in full gloss black. And you also get the extended Matt Aluminium styling package, which includes all of the exterior trim on the front, the rear, the side, the window surrounds, and the roof rails as well, all in the matte aluminium finish. The vehicle as standard does come with the RS Sport suspension, the RS braking system, LED front lights, LED rear lights, and also a full leather interior. Our example does benefit from the wing back seats, which are again an optional feature. You can see with the diamond quilt design, finished in the ivory leather. You have the four-way lumbar control accessible on the side of the driver's seat. Heated folding exterior mirrors as well, another added optional feature. The vehicle does also come with satellite navigation, again another optional feature accessible through your collapsible central screen, and a few of the standard inclusions on the RS3 Sportback model do include the flat bottom, leather trimmed steering wheel with the microfiber grab handles, cruise control, your infotainment system, your drive selector, your climate control functions with the multi-zone climate control including heated seats for the driver and the passenger, and also your infotainment system as mentioned, where you can see features such as the DAB radio, satellite navigation as an optional feature, and also front and rear parking sensors. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.